Hi guys, this is Archie with me, Thomas the Tango Jiggly ride. Let's do it. Okay, there we go. Yeah, it's still mute, unfortunately. I don't know why. Yeah, the rotor space fixed. Made by Archie Mitchell in 1985. And last one in Britain of Thomas Limited. Yeah, this one's still mute, unfortunately. But look, it looks like the rotor space fixed. I'm happy they fixed it. Yeah, this one's still mute. I do apologise. Yeah, this one's sadly mute. Yeah, it's still mute, unfortunately. So sad it's mute. Yeah, where's where it works completely fine now. See? Oh. Okay. That was the Me Thomas Kiddie ride by Archie Mitchell. Started Dram in a hotel.